At the Presidential Awards for Outstanding MSMEs and the Presidential Recognition for Outstanding Development Partners, we celebrate all the exceptional Filipino entrepreneurs. These individuals and groups have chosen courage over comfort, perseverance over surrender, and service over self-interest. They have raised the standards of excellence, created countless opportunities for others, and proved that success can be built from the ground up. MSMEs comprise over 99.6% of all business establishments in our country. Indeed, you are the backbone of our economy, the beating heart of our barangays, and the sparks of innovation that keep our industries alive. Through the implementation of the MSME Development Plan 2023 to 2028, we are fostering a business climate that encourages innovation, expands market reach, and promotes competitiveness. Together, let us deliver services that open doors of opportunity wide enough for every Filipino to walk through. And let us do so with the conviction that no dream is too small, no ambition too far, and no Filipino is ever left behind.
Napakalaking bagay po nito sa Pasiolco Agriventures to win this award. Kasi ito na yung napatunayan namin na matagal na nga yung company, na nag-export kami ng good quality products. So, siguro naman talagang we deserve it.
Yeah, the programs like the awards like this is indeed very remarkable. These are the mark of recognition of the government for us MSMEs. It doesn't only inspire, but it gives us more push for us to go further, to go beyond our limits as MSMEs.
Ito po ay malaking halaga sa amin kasi alam namin na lahat ng mga micro-entrepreneurs dito sa ating bansa, pag nalaman nila na kahit tayo maliit lang, ang ating pamahalaan ay sumusuporta sa atin. Hindi tayo binitiwan ng pamahalaan. So, makikita nila ito ngayon at sana po sa pagiging awardee namin, kami din ay magiging ambassador ng pamahalaan para tulungan ang lahat ng mga micro-entrepreneurs at sa mga magiging entrepreneurs pa ng ating bayan.
Napakahalaga nito sa mga coconut farmers. Itong award na ito, lalo silang parang nabigyan ng pag-asa na mayroon palang future pa ang ating coconut industry. Kasi ako as a private sector, talagang dinadala ko sila sa iba-ibang bansa para hindi sila mawala ng pag-asa na may business talaga sa coconut industry.
Actually, the Nutridence was built for a mission to commercialize food developed technologies into something that is really available for children. And we've been doing this since 12 years ago. Now, we plan to extend more. We are now in micro level, but indeed, we are on the point of expanding everything so we could have more products and more reach within the Philippines.
Mensahe ko po sa lahat ng ating mga future entrepreneurs, sana po ay consider ninyo ang pag-hire ng mga marginalized sector tulad po namin, yung out-of-school youth, yung single parents, yung PWDs, at saka yung mga soon-to-be senior citizen. Sila po ay malaga sa ating bayan and they become very productive members of the society. Pag tayo po ay nagtulong-tulong po tayo, binigyan natin sila ng opportunity, magiging masaya po ang ating community at I'm sure na lahat po tayo ay angat sa bagong Pilipinas.